Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. I really can't wait in this video today to share with you all a delicious vegan syrup sponge recipe, which is also so delicious as just a sponge recipe too. We really enjoyed making this video when we went to Barnsley to visit our friends, when we also went to the Yorkshire Vegan Festival. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there. Also, going to IKEA too was absolutely amazing.
Oh, those vegan meatballs and the vegan cheesecake.
That was absolutely incredible.
Oh, you've got to link that video.
If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there. We're so excited to share with you all so many amazing recipes over the next few weeks that we made with our friends when we were in Barnsley, as we love cooking together, don't we?
We do, and it's so lovely to be able to cook with our friends and then enjoy everything we make together as well.
And then be able to share the recipes with you all too.
That's what I was just about to say as well. But we had so much fun, didn't we, making everything? And your face enjoyed a few bits as well, didn't it?
It really did. Also, with this syrup sponge recipe, or the sponge recipe is going to come in really handy for a video coming up in a couple of weeks.
It is. And it's just so lovely without putting the syrup at the bottom, like we do, just cooking it as a sponge.
How delicious it is.
It is really delicious. And then making the recipe, like you just said, that's coming up in
a couple of weeks. We really hope that you all enjoyed the videos that are coming up from Barnsley.
It's always so lovely to be able to share some recipes.
It really is. Should we go back in time, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Should we restart making the syrup sponge?
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
We're now greasing the bowl that we're going to use, and then we're preheating the oven at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. We're now putting a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in with 350 ml of your chosen plant-based milk. We're now putting all the dry ingredients in. We're putting 350 grams of flour, 350 grams of sugar, and around a teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a good mix now. We're now adding the 350 ml of plant milk with the apple cider vinegar. We have now 100 grams of melted butter. Look now. It smells lovely.
It really does.
Can't wait.
Good. Big mix.
Definitely. Really can't wait now. Now time to add a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add about 5 tablespoons of golden syrup to the bottom of the dish. We made enough to make 2, with it being a big family event. So you might want to halve the recipe if you only want to make 1.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one.
We're going to tap it 6 times now to get all the air bubbles out. We're now going to pop them in the oven for about an hour 15 minutes. See you soon.
Bubbling away in her ad. Looks amazing.
Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful too.
Let it cool down for a bit.
That looks really nice. Oh, it smells so lovely too. Oh wow. A sponge is so lovely and soft, and it goes really, really well with the custard too.
And having the syrup.
Oh yes, I love its sweetness, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell to be notified we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have ever tried vegan golden syrup sponge. If you have, do you enjoy it? Or if you haven't tried it, what's your favourite vegan sponge? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care. And bye!